Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 19th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Alright, this one will be number 8392. 8392. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 5 more. So I think it's 0 stars. And for a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the one in this column, the one in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. That means in this middle column, the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in the middle column could be here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. We see another 1 in that row, no 1 there. Only place left for 1 should be there. Alright, so the 3 could be here. Okay, then 2 in this column, third column, 2 in this first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, no only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Then let me see. 5. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 there. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in that first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Need a 9 here. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then 6, okay. Then need a 7 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with a 9 should be there. 9, 9, yeah. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, need 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left with 8 should be there. Then need 8 here, need 8 there. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this big square. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So need a 9, 1 here, need a 1 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So we have 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place level 3 should be there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Then 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 4 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Cannot believe this. Again, a 0 stars puzzle. Publisher, we need more. Yeah. No more easy puzzles. This is too easy. Yesterday we have a 4 stars puzzle. Yeah, that puzzle I need more than 30 minutes to solve. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.